Hello, today I'm unboxing 28 Years Later, one of the best films of the year period. I'm not sure, I haven't seen it yet. I've seen the other two, they are good. I'm excited to see this. Let me know in the comments if you've seen this. Let me know your thoughts on it, if you liked it, if you liked the other ones better. I don't know if they're making another one or not, but I'm going to be checking this one out later today. So here's the front. Here's the back, or the spine, sorry. Here's the back. If you guys would like to pause this and read it, you can. A blood-curdling, terrifying masterpiece. Days to years, capturing the chaos. All right, let's open this up. Sorry, give me 1 second. There we go. All right. So there's the front again. Here's the spine. And there's the back. Let's open this up and see what we get. All right. So no digital code or anything, just the disc. Some nice artwork on there. All right. Not too bad. So let me know if you guys like this video in the comments. Let me know if you guys like these series of movies. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.